Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to change the background color of your Instagram stories using the Draw tool. This is a quick and easy way to make your stories stand out and grab the attention of your followers. First, choose a photo from your camera roll and upload it to Instagram. Instagram will automatically set the background color to the accent color of the photo, but we're going to change it up a bit. To change the background color, open the Draw tool from the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a color palette at the bottom of the screen. Select the color of your choice. Next, long press anywhere on the photo to change the background color. This is a great way to make your photo pop and add a little bit of personality to your story. Now, tap the sticker icon. You'll see a plus icon. Select it to add a photo. Upload your desired photo as a sticker on top of the background. You can change the shape and size of the photo by zooming in and out. You can also add another photo by repeating the steps before. This is a fun way to play around with your photo and create a unique and interesting composition. Once you're happy with the final product, tap the check icon from the top right corner to save the changes. And there you have it, a unique and personalized background for your Instagram story. Share it with your friends and followers and see the likes and comments roll in. This is a great way to make your stories stand out and get creative with your content. Experiment with different colors and photos to see what looks best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. See you next time.